Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you. We're back today at the retaining wall site. The surveyor supposedly fixed everything, so now we're trying to figure out our measurements and see where we need to dig. Hopefully guys, we'll be able to get this project off the ground today. It's Friday, so we're not going to be staying here in Richmond tonight. We're going to be going back to Lynchburg, so yeah, it's about 7 a.m. Hopefully we get a lot done today. Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you. So, we were digging along, everything was going fine. We were finally making headway, and then this popped up, which is a electrical line. And they had moved it, and it had been over here somewhere, and they had moved it. Problem is, they never marked it, so we hit it. It's a small nick right in here. Right there, you can see a bit of wire, but they still think it's live, so we've all exited the pit, and we're waiting for Miss Utility to come out and mark it and determine if it's dead or alive, what's going on. I honestly have no idea what we're going to do from here. It's sort of a thing like, I'm not sure, I don't have enough experience in this situation. We may end up going back to 17th Street, the park, laying pavers, or we may just start the journey home early. I really have no idea what we're going to do. We may move to a different section of the wall and start digging there, but we don't know how far this line runs. So it could run all the way up, and we have no idea. So I'll update you guys as soon as I have something. Alright guys, so we determined that the wire was actually a dead one after further investigation. So we have put gravel on, we have tamped it, set the string line up, and we're getting ready to start laying block in and get this thing closed up before the weekend because it's supposed to rain. So we need to get 3 layers of block and backfill. Let's do it. Guys, so this is the end of the video. I just wanted to highlight that I've been using this Cat 279D. It's a pretty cool unit. It's pilot controls, meaning it's only controlled by 2 joysticks. This one over here controls travel, and this one over here controls the loader. And you have a throttle pedal down below if you want to add some extra oomph to something, you know. But it's a cool machine. There's a couple things I don't like about it. How in order for the cab door to be open, you have to completely have the entire loader arms lowered. I really don't like that, not a fan, but it's got a good stereo and a good AC system, so can't really complain. Anyway guys, so we're rolling out. We got to go back to Lynchburg. We're not spending the night in Richmond. Today's Friday. Got to go home, got to get that rest for another work week next week. But thank you guys for watching the video. I really appreciate it. What we ended up getting done, we got 2 layers of block laid, and yeah, they got the beginnings of the wall because next week they're going to do the drainage pipe and put a geogrid and continue that. So we got the makings and the beginnings of the wall, but not the entire thing done, but that's okay. There's a lot of things that happened that were out of our control. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.